Wow.
What is happening?
I've tried now. How many years in the industry?
What have you done? What have you done?
What I've been doing since. There is no progress from year to year. How many albums?
Hey! How many have you done? When did you start?
Last year!
Just last year?
Yes!
And you are
a whole last year, I gave myself 2 years. I'm entering the 3rd year.
Okay. Like seriously? Do you know how many years I've been in the music industry? I started singing late 90s.
Hey! Now happy here now one day press and I give a hint to you. I want the real thing. When he then I'm not we want to mark. God stop give me.
There is nothing secret. When you hear this is so there, it is God or Chuku.
Chuku.
God.
Chuku. Yes. Chuku just like that.
It is God that makes a man. I'm
not trying to tell you me. I tell you grace. Because I'm not carrying I'm can't teach you. I'm asking grace.
Continue. There is nothing else. It's only the grace of God. No, it's you. It's the grace of God that announced a man. Listen, I have been in this industry for over 18 years. The Therefor you know is not my first album. Yes. I have done so many of them, but it's just that one that God decided to use to introduce me to people.
Yeah, even Therefor room, I'm going to Alamia. Kamana, Weba Kishi. Hey! Therefor room, infusion of R&B into your Therefor room.
Egware the Therefor room.
Agware Kamano. Gware.
You are not yet announced. See, my sister, there are things you must do. Number one, you must be happy when your brother is progressing.
I'm always happy.
It is easier said than done. You must be happy from your heart that this person is progressing. That way, you are believing God that you are on making. That one day you will shine. Begin rise. How I wish you no it is time. Oh, when you give it to God, listen. On about sometimes I feel other people can arise and you will be even if you could be but Imo begin to be it doesn't work like that.
I don't even do that.
There is a woman I know that used to say something. See, once you are alive, your own is waiting for you. And when is your time? You don't need anybody to push you to shine. That Therefor you heard that you are believing that it has been raining before now. Listen, it is not the first time. That record people are enjoying now, that was not the first record. I gonna the first one. If even that choma is ever angry. Choma mo. Listen, sister.
May God be praised.
Yes. If you that solo na go eba, obodo aka nsibu ya na mbido. Onwe otu nsiburu we go ya. Mana nguchakwa ma agwaria. Because efilm na nka adibe mma.
Keep on trying.
Yes, I got on a charo, run on the Chadiakwana Lagos. Run around the Keja. Run or Jor, run so many places. Before I wanted that one or they called it to me, but even me was not satisfied with the mixing of that job. Yes, but Imagoka Chukwa Dige check a mother. Or pass through that one more feel now well missed. Or put that one could you roll Bangregua, that solo. Oh, the first solo I'm gonna that choma. Onya marame nizurukeme. Onya maradi mani sabuamo chuku. Onya nyinye. Bianare kenegi. Nina nyewegi olocha. Kanyegi. Oh, that is a great Bob.
Mba, if you can't get yegi, once again can't get ye. Okay.
Wait,
The problem.
I will not take back a little
bit of Afrobeat and a little bit.
Sister, allow God to give you inspiration. Then you pray and wait unto God. You know, be determined and continue trying. Even if you fail, keep trying. One day, oh yeah, you know, what we are going to do is this. You got to be patient. You win it, you know, and you keep trying. Even if you've tried and failed, continue trying. One day it will enter. See what you are going to do. I'm going to help you. Yes. I'm going to help you. You will come up with maybe a track. We do one track together.
Yeah, collab.
Yes.
Continue.
Together. That way, with your own platform, my own, we project ourselves as they say. We rise by helping others.
Lifting others.
Lifting others. Hey! So that's what we are going to do. I believe it will help us. It's going to help us. I don't know when you will be ready.
Thank you so much.
God bless you. Let me take this call from my engineer.
Okay.
Hello, John. How are you? I don't really like that music. We are going to release that.
Madam, wait down. Dalu, not them now. That man over there wants to see you.
Which of them?
The one on black.
Okay, get one dada.
Chai!
Is he lodged here?
Oh yes, he's lodged here. That's his car. I want to motor back there. Yes. What?
Superstar. Hey.
It is well.
It is very well.
It's your time.
To shine.
This time, everything will happen. Everything will happen. Are you okay?
I'm okay.
Are you okay?
Hey!
Are you okay? What is it? Are you okay? What is it? Somebody help me, oh. What is it? What is it? Oh my God. Oh my God. Somebody help me. I don't know.
What is it?
I don't know.
What in there?
I don't know. We're just here. I don't know. Oh my God. What is happening, please? Help me. Let's take it.
No, nobody should touch her. Nobody should touch this.
Okay,
Listen to me.
You talk too much.
You do too much. Don't touch her. This woman deserves to die 100 times.
What happened?
Yes, because she is a wicked woman.
How?
She is a wicked lady. Wherever you got this thing from, she doesn't deserve to
my
live.
friend.
Friend for what? You are calling this thing your friend.
She's a good person.
If you know what she just did, you will never call her your friend in your entire life. In fact, you wish her to die again and again and again.
What did she do, please?
You want to know what she did?
Yes.
Okay, wait, let me shock all of you. Just wait.
I don't understand.
Look at. Madam, watch this video. This thing just happened now.
Jesus!
Yes. You see,
She poisoned my drink.
You see, I'm just now.
And I wanted to help her. Oh.
You see it?
I wanted to help her. I told her we are going to do a collab with her. Oh my
There
God.
is nothing you will do to people that they will appreciate it.
Jesus.
People of the world, they are like this. This woman.
Jesus. I can't believe this.
I'm telling you. So you don't need to shout or cry about her. Let her go. Wages of sin is death.
Oh my God. You mean she died in my place?
Oh yes. She died in your place.
Oh Jesus.
Ọnwụ ọnwụrụ na ọgwụ nwa kwesịrị inwe ya. Aka nshi abana ya ọnụ. There's nothing you can do to people of this world that they will be satisfied.
But I promised to help her.
You promised to help her, but she never wanted it. You were busy telling her how God did it for you.
Yes.
But she was busy eyeing you. I was there watching. I saw everything. I saw how she was eyeing you. Immediately you left because you wanted to answer a call. She bring out her ogwike. I now have to come and tell her that somebody is calling her. Then I changed the drink.
Do you know God used you to save me?
Oh yes. He has always used me. In this hotel, in fact, in AUC Hotel, we are not only after our customers' money, we are also after their welfare. We are more interested in their life and everything that concerns them. So please, next time you have to choose wisely. Sometimes I put on this person is dead, the other person is gone. Blah, blah. I know about, we never knew if God has fought for someone or God has fighted for someone, because he must fight for someone to be fighted for. Oh yes. Just like
what happened
yes.
here. May God forgive her.
There is no forgiveness. She's gone and she's gone. Every other prayers we're making now is in vain. Once she never repented before she died. Oga go come straight. In fact, Ogo na pagajo come. Uruze ba here na ekwensu agbarewa. Ọ na-akụ egwu ụka. Ọ na-enwe anya ọkụ. Kama oge chere ka Chineke ji aka ya bulie ya, because they say prosperity comes from God. The only person that can prosper you is God. With your, I heard you told her that it is only from her heart she can gain upliftment.
Yeah.
But she chose to do the other way around. Yeah, me yota.
Hey.
What goes around comes around. If you come and check out around, you can go to security down the book was it here. I heard nonsense. If you have a Bible na akpa, buru mmanụ nsọ na-achọ otu Chineke ga-esi enyere ha aka. Ihe buru ọgwụ na akpa na-agagharị achọ onye ọ ga-egbu. Ndị anya ọkụ juru ụwa niile. They are never satisfied with what God has given to them. Ekwensu. Security! Secure!
Chiefimocomedylatest.